Hello there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaraartibeauty. Whoop whoop whoop. So I got a package from NATURALHAIRROCKS. Yes, I got a package from NATURALHAIRROCKS, and this is Caribbean Curls. This is how the hair is, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create magic with this weave and your short hair. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video, you may want to pause this video now and go watch my previous video. Then you can join us in this video. Now, let's create magic.
Starting off with the NOVAGOLD styling mousse and eco styling gel. You all know I like to use the black eco styling gel. I'm using the got2b glue also, and hair comb, hairbrush, toothbrush to style my hair, and I'm using the sewing thread. You will see what I'm using this for in the video. Now start off with the styling mousse, and this is also a styling foam, and make sure you apply this on a wet hair. Make sure your hair is wet before you apply it. So this is a hair styling product that protects and styles the hair, also reduces fizzle. So I'll be applying it on my hair the way you see me applying it right now. I'm going to comb my hair to make sure I detangle every part in my hair. Comb all around your hair. Treat your hair like an egg, So now let's go into the main reason. Let's go into getting our ponytail, up and doing. So I'm just making a round circle in the center of my hair, just like it's a round circled pattern. Wow, that's a lot. Just pat round your hair, a circle, make a circled pattern. So that part is the part you're going to be holding. Now see what I'm using this thread for. Twisting it into like six rows. This is 6, yes, and this is what I'm going to be using to tie the knots, the center part that you cut out. Just tie it firmly, make sure it is tight, because this, when they say secure the bag, this is the bag that you are securing. You're securing your ponytail. So yeah, please make sure it is very tight and it is firm. And then I'll be going into the styling gel and I'll be applying it all over your hair. Make sure you apply a good amount. Don't use too much, don't use little. Just make sure you apply it little by little as you go, and have fun with it. As you can see I'm doing, have so much fun with it. This is your hair. Treat it like a baby, because it's your baby. Like, nobody's gonna treat this hair better than you, boo boo. Yes, okay. So I'm now using the hair comb to comb out the hair very well. I just do this to make sure that the gel goes into every part of my hair, and don't bother about all these things coming out of my hair comb. It's the hair gel. You can see I'm applying it back onto my hair. So just comb it out to make sure everything is straightened, and then going in with a hairbrush to snatch your edges, snatch it, brush it and pull your hair up, give your face a lift. Because I think that's what ponytail does. Ponytail gives your face that lift that, when you come out, people be like, Genge, who are you? So make sure you just brush up everything really, really, really well. So I'm just using my hand to, smoothing it, and you can see a cute little ponytail. Yeah. Now we are going to lay our edges, and I'll repeat again. A baby girl is trying. I am trying to get these edges very well. I'm still learning, so don't judge me. Just lay your edges. If you can do it better than mine, fine. If you can't, please follow the way I did it and get your own. And no pressure. Baby steps, darling, no pressure at all. So I'll just be showing this side. I won't be showing the other side because I lost the clip, and I'll be using this got2b glue to rub it around my hands and apply it all over my hair. Now this got2b glue is the drill for me. Like, it keeps your hair gelled up and sleeping baby sleep for a long time, like for a very long time. Now I'm using the scarf to hold it, and I'll say again, a do-rag is very, very, very much better. After this lockdown, I'm definitely getting a do-rag, so make sure you use a scarf. I'm using 2 scarves here because I didn't feel like the other one held my hair very well, but if it was a do-rag, I'll be much comfortable because do-rag covers the whole part of your hair. So make sure you really secure your hair with your scarves, anything you have that can really hold your hair, hold the styling very, very, very firm, and don't make it move or any of that sort. Then I'm going to give it 30 minutes, but I actually give it like 1 hour because I went off camera and I did my makeup. We're back now. Let's take it off and we see the beauty. Okay, I'm looking too fine. I'm so fine. Yes. Now see, you can see how the hair is well laid. Damn, look at the hair. See, who said short hair can't do magic? Like show me. Okay, now let's go into the hair. This is the detachable ponytail from NATURALHAIRROCKS, and this is their Caribbean course. It has a drawstring, and it also has 2 hooks in which you can hook onto the hair. I'll be showing you how you can do that. So you have to hook the first hook on the knots that you have on your hair, just a little space forward. Then the second one is a little space downward. Just make sure it is firm and it is tight on your hair. So once you're done hooking it, draw the drawstring to make sure that it's tight. Then I swing my hair to make sure it is firmly tight on my hair, and bam. Yes. Okay, I see you, boo boo. Now for the second style, I'll be doing a bun. So just pack your hair, raise it up, good to do a high bun or a low bun. No, this is a high bun. You can actually do a low bun. That means you have to bring your ponytail down a little bit. So just roll the hair any direction that you want to roll it, but make sure you achieve a bun. Follow the way that I am doing it, and when you can either tuck it in or you can use a bobby pin to hold it firm. And this is the second look. Now for the third look, I'll be doing a fringe. I don't know if that's what I'm going to call this, but yeah, we're doing a fringe in front of my hair, my face, or we should say put a bang put some bangs on the face. So I'll just be bringing a little part of the ponytail in front of my hair. So at this point you have to play around with it. How do you want the length to be? Do you want it to be too long all over on your face, or you want it to be too short? So I didn't want mine too short or too long. I wanted it to just have cross my eyebrows especially. So just play around with it. I brought in more, and if you want it fuller, if you want it scanty, I just wanted mine to be quite moderate, just enough to make me look like a Barbie doll. Then I'll be using the bobby pin to hold steadfast the hair and make sure it doesn't fall off on the right hand side and also on the left hand side of the hair, to make sure that it doesn't fall off. Then I'll be taking extra from the detachable ponytail to roll up to cover up that part. When you fold it in, there'll be a part that will be showing, just to cover up that part, and also securing it with the bobby pin, and voila, this is our third look. Now for a final look, I'll just be taking that part at the back of my hair and roll it into a bun. You can roll it into a messy bun anyhow that you want it, but just make sure that you roll it and twist it into a bun. And also don't forget to secure it with a bobby pin. I think I just tucked mine in because it was quite tight and firm for me. Just readjust the hair and bam, you have it. A big video for sticking with me. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you all in my next video.